Handsome, what are you doing, boy? As you can see, these chickens love pumpkin. I just put this in here literally about a minute ago. Let me give you a quick look at these guys. There's the rooster, Handsome. There's his main girl. There's the other girl. I don't know where the other girls are. There's Handsome, the main guy. Blows that pumpkin. Here's the other two girls. That gray one and the little black one were born here last summer. He's the father, Handsome. And like I said, quick update, and they love these pumpkins. Everybody's doing great, as you can see. Look at the beautiful colors on this guy. That's why his name is Handsome. Get inside. Inside, girl. Inside. Trying to sneak out. Going to town on that pumpkin. Inside. I was trying to sneak out. She's trouble. All right. That's it.